to another video. New episode. Stance Addicts. You already know the deal. When we come back, we're gonna bring you some bangers.
Bangers only.
Bangers only. We got Trippy Trev in the building. Peter. And we're about to do something crazy. He's trying to make a car some sound.
It sounds like...
like that. He wants to make it sound like Scooby-Doo pop pop, you know? So what he did here, he did a desperate move. He bought an exhaust.
Yep, invidia
exhaust.
Got it cheap, it was good.
Downpipe.
This one's the invidia right here. This is the one that we're gonna be putting in and replacing this bad boy.
Look at this. Look how thin this thing is compared to this one. And this is the downpipe he got right here from, where you get from?
Pro Tuning Lab.
Pro Tuning Lab. It was like what?
115.
115, cheap.
Yeah, 115. So YouTubers, right now, I'm excited because we're going from stock little muffler, little exhaust, downpipe and everything to full 3-inch. 3-inch, bro. Like it's gonna make a big difference to me. 3-inch.
They had a situation here where they honestly thought that downpipe didn't fit, but they went to go buy some extra things to try to make it fit, pretty much.
So pretty much, I never worked on a Subi. So
I never worked on a Subi.
He never worked on cars.
Hey, a Honda Civic counts.
When you parted out.
Shut up. For $100.
All right, guys. So then I had to go in there and down there and look, see what the hell's going on. They were not making sense. But the headers, it's a dual header, so it goes into one, you know. So it goes straight to the downpipe. It's a single, and it's exactly how it is down there, you know. So they're over here just buying extra stuff. Let's get back to this video.
I said you were wrong. You were 100% right.
Oh, these guys don't have no faith in me.
Should happen.
Peter, they should know better than this, Peter.
It's a Subi.
It's a Subaru.
I know, now I gotta go.
You guys are acting like this is like an Audi or something.
I need to replace.
What is Trevor up to right here? Nope. Doesn't fit?
Nope, that's so different. Yep, that's different as fuck. Yep, that's different.
Go look at it.
Let me see.
Tell him.
We were right. Look, wrong.
I didn't even come here. Big problem. Trevor was right in a different way. The exhaust fitting on the end of it does not connect into this one. I don't know why. He probably got like a turbo one.
Yeah.
For like the turbo. This is a non-turbo, if you guys know. He probably got an STI one.
I got the STI downpipe on that.
But what we're thinking here, they're gonna do a Mickey Mouse, which that's what we call Mexican style, something that we just create on the spot. Just for now, though, you know, it's gonna be pretty ghetto, but for now, I think the best part about being a cameraman, I get to see you guys work.
No.
Whoa, don't trip. No, Alan and I here with. Since we got another set back here, they shoved
so
this
keep doing that.
piece in there, and we're trying to split it open again. But it's gonna be a mission. If you guys are gonna do this, make sure you have all the right tools, the right downpipes, the right. Oh, that almost went through your damn knuckle, bro.
Yeah, we did need him because we needed one person on one side of the exhaust, another one on the other, and started hammering it.
Yeah, and we actually got it.
Oh yeah, we got it into 2 pieces
With
now.
no struggle.
Nope.
Nope, guys. Oh no. Fits there.
What about the other side?
Trevor, what happened, bro?
It's disappointed.
Anything to get it to fit, guys. The good thing is used, so it doesn't hurt as bad if it's brand. All right, guys, we got another problem here. This inlet is too big for the exhaust here, so we have to go to the Autozone, get ourselves another piece to connect it, and slap this thing on. All right, guys, we're back. All right, guys, we're back from Autozone. We got the pieces we need. Hopefully they fit. What do you think, Peter?
Hopefully
they fit.
Let's
See
see
this, guys. The other end. that end goes in the other end. It's the same size. Another problem here, guys.
I wouldn't even know.
Trevor over here giving me wrong information.
Has to be the inlet one straight. So it could go under this one and then here. So it has to go inside here and here.
All right, Peter, you ready?
Guys, so now we gotta go back to AutoZone for the 5th time. Back from AutoZone again for the 6th time. And we got this piece here.
Why would I not use this?
That's what I'm saying. So we're gonna replace this piece, remove this wiggly freaking donkey penis out of the way.
Hopefully, when you were holding
I
it,
told him
Peter, you did
anyway.
line up, right?
If he doesn't need a curve, we need to use this one. We have to cut this one. And this one.
There's no more sizes that adapted, so that's the only thing we had left.
Yeah. Not too much. We're doing good, guys. Looking good so far. Tightening that bolt.
Nope. Same size, huh?
I don't mean to laugh, Trevor. say something for the message right now. Give us a message.
Hold
The viewers want to know.
There. What are you doing?
That looks wrong.
Huh? Hey, but did we turn it right to where it'll... To what? You know what I mean? So when we adapt this won't be all up. You know what I mean?
That's why we haven't put the bolt on yet.
Yeah, but I slammed that shit down on the ground.
I know, but you could still turn it.
Alright. Let's go, Mickey.
What's going on, bro?
This is very, very entertaining, guys.
Do you want to use?
To use that one, just in case there's no little things we can attach it to, so it stays.
nuts?
What? What about nuts?
I don't know what the hell's going on, guys. I'm just watching. Enjoying this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up, please. Subscribe down below. Hit us with the comment. And if you guys haven't checked our channel out, please do so. We got a link up here for more Subi mods playlist. And if you haven't checked my recent video of my SRT4 engine bay shaved, make sure to click it up here too. I'll take you to that video. Let's go. I told you, hey, doesn't this happen all the time when you rush shit?
Yeah.
Hey, but we weren't rushing it.
You were rushing.
I am rushing.
No, I'm not Russian.
I just can't wait to see how it sounds, bro. It's gonna be so
that's-
sick.
That's gonna be.
We're gonna come back.
Care about
Yeah.
this, but yes.
If you guys are wondering why this guy was wearing some dirty ass shirts in the video,
What?
he barely comes out of work. That's why.
Is that a lot?
This is how far this is gonna stick out, bro.
Isn't that bad?
That's not that bad.
Let me see. Let me see.
It's not that bad.
Oh, no, that's usually how Subarus are. No, when I look them up, that's how they are usually.
What kind of Subaru are you looking at?
Some nice modern ones. Turn tip.
Isn't it crooked?
Yeah, that's why
That's
we're
why
gonna
we're
fix it
fixing
right
it.
after, so it's not fully done yet.
I know, but this bolt doesn't want to go in.
You want to use the old ones?
These are old.
We have to use old ones.
Okay, use the old ones.
Alright, guys, we had a big issue here. It's not gonna work, you know, and we're not gonna rush it. He's just gonna order the new pieces that he needs. It didn't turn out as planned, you know. We're gonna take this as a lesson learned. He's probably gonna end up taking it to a custom shop and end up straight piping it from. He's gonna have to buy headers to make a 3-inch fit, 3-inch pipe fit. We're gonna keep that. He's gonna end up welding it onto the new one, the video part. Crowd still wants to hear this car without it. And I'll rev it so you can hear it. Watch.
Yeah.
That shit sounds B-full. It's by removing that ugly piece there. This car sounds freaking savagely, dude.
Savagely.
We're gonna at least show you guys that. Give you guys a little preview of how it sounds without the stock end of the exhaust here. For references for you guys, do not try to modify stuff in your own garage like that. Take it to a professional shop and get it. We're gonna turn this car on after we drop it, and we're gonna see how that sounds. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Oh.
costly. Oh,
Dude.
you can hear.
Check out these Spec D headlights though. For all them haters out there. What? The pops, my nigga. You heard the pop?
Should I do it again?
Do it again. Face, man. Hit it one more time, we run.
For sure, you're gonna take it
You keep it like that?
for a while.
At least you don't bro.
Fuck, here comes the cops.
At least you don't sound stock. Waiting for you.
You think so?
Nah.
That's good.
He probably heard you. He was probably close. He heard something.
Yeah.
Last words.
Don't rush things.
No rush. Say it.
No rush.
No rush.
No stop.
No stop. The moral of the story here is do not rush your projects. You know what I'm saying? Do the right thing. Do it right. Because then you end up like this. You end up with sad faces, sad moods. And at least it's going home. Not sounding stock. Because there's no stock here. Hope you guys enjoy at least us chilling in the garage. Trying to mod up things. But it didn't work out. But till next time. Make sure to always come back because we're always dropping them bangers.
Bangers only.
Yup, you got the Subi content in the building. Subscribe, like, and comment down below. And always remember, guys, stay safe, keep it positive, no negativity. Have a good week. And like that, guys, we're out. Peace.